What happened to Isaac?
Broken nose. There's no.
Yeah, the wing was broken. And you needed to glue that wing on your airplane, but I think you got a little bit too much glue.
Oh, that's why coming off.
Yeah.
You want to see, Mommy? Guess that. There's button,
Let's see
Mommy.
your hands. Yeah, I think you got a little bit too much glue.
This one.
Okay.
Jeez.
You're funny. Say bye.
Hey, wait a second. The school, Mommy, see? I want go painting. See, Mommy?
Okay, that was a small glue, and you got the giant glue and opened the whole thing.
Yeah, I got a giant glue. I got a small glue, Mama.
Yeah. Oh, Isaac, you ready to wash your hands?
No!
Okay, say bye.
Where's my hands? Tell me the Mommy, okay?
Wash your hands tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay. You don't want to get the glue off?
No.
No? You want to leave it on?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'll pick some toys up.
Pick some toys up?
Yeah.
Not with your hands all gluey.
Only kids hands up gooey.
We gotta wash your hands, okay?
Why?
Because they're all squishy.
Oh. I thought it's open now.
I think you have enough glue on that airplane now.